Yo, what up, guys? About 7 a.m. This will be vlog 2. Got some interesting things on the agenda today. I'm going to try to keep these vlogs more optimized. Because the first one I was like, this is just like 10 minutes of me rambling. But, you know, that's kind of what they are anyway. Anyway, it's raining. So that's kind of poopy. But we got a haircut because, you know, not that I mind my hair, but like going in front of clients with a crazy mop, not the best feeling. As well as I just need a haircut. Like, not everything's business, but we're going to be doing some stuff on the website today. I want to actually convert it into a landing page. My website has no optimization for like Williamsport, the area that I service, as well as it's just impossible to find. Like, nobody's looking that shit up. So I want to optimize it so I can stop cold calling after a while. I still think cold calling daily is the wave. I think that's a great way for outreach. But, you know, I would like to have some of it come to me as well as run some of my own paid ads. You know, I run paid ads for businesses all the time, but why have I not tried running my own? Beats me. So I'd like to crack into that a little bit. And I think I had something else, but not too sure. Like I said, I just woke up, so I'll probably write out my to-do list, get some coffee in me, hit the gym up, you know what I mean? Leg day today. I really do enjoy going to the gym every day. I think it like is a big part of, I don't know, just clarity and, you know, staying fit. I think every day, somebody said to me the one time, like, the gym is a waste of time. Like, you could be spending more time on business stuff, but I would hate to be sitting in front of a computer for 8 hours straight and not ever get any fitness. Health is wealth, and, you know, it's not just money. There's all kinds of different types of wealth, family, connections, you know, money. I mean, that's one of them, but like still, regardless, like when I think wealth, you got to think more than just the monetary dollar. You have to think, you know, what is strong, what is rich in your life. You know what I mean? And that a lot of the time is family, connections, and where you're going, you know, and yeah. So either way, it's already 2 minutes in, so I'm going to end it here, and I'll probably catch you guys like midday and update you. So, peace. All right, y'all, so we got the cut looking a little shorter than I like. That's how it always goes, though. About to hit up some legs. What we did today so far, I looked into some different opportunities for SEO, even like doing my own ads. Didn't really go with any of them. Excuse me. Edited the chiropractor ads from yesterday. See what else. Check some emails. I did a bunch of shit, honestly. It's about noon 30 coming up. So, yeah, I had a pretty productive morning, though. Oh, yeah, I actually edited a couple videos and posted yesterday's vlog. So, yeah, that's about it. Realistically, didn't do my cold calls yet. Might not even do them today. If I don't do my cold calls, I got to find a way to get some clients and basically get my name out there still, which is why I'm honestly looking into building my website into a landing page and stuff. So, in the future, I won't have to cold call all the time. I can get leads from other places. So yeah, and I also had a job opportunity today, basically doing sales, for another company that I cold outreached. So they called me back and they're like, well, we're not truly interested in your service, but we are interested in maybe hiring you for sales. So we're going to actually peep that opportunity, to be honest. I'm going to go ahead and see it through at least, and maybe just sign them as a client is what I'm thinking. But we'll see. So anyway, I'm going to get in and hit some legs, and, yeah, that's the extent of it. So see you in there, bruh. We fresh out the gym. Looks like a little bit of landscaping going on outside, but little sauna action, little leg action, and you know, I'm sweating like a motherfucker. That's for sure. But I just gotta say, not a bad day so far. I'm really my mind is on how to get more clients. That's really the most important thing here, and that's honestly what I've been searching for. So I think I'm going to really go with paid ads. I think I'm going to run my own ads. I've obviously run ads for businesses before, so I have experience in it. I feel like I can convert, you know, even if I only run $10, $15 a day, if I get a couple interested people looking for my service, it's going to be really good. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to that, but that's about it. And I guess I'll see you guys later tonight. All right, so I'm going to end today's vlog by just saying, you know, hit the gym good. Got a good amount of stuff done in the morning. Really didn't do too much after the gym. Just kind of hung out, played some games, hung out with the girl. So yeah, that's about it. It's about 7. Tomorrow I'm going to hopefully make a whole different YouTube video, not just a vlog. But I'm gonna keep posting these, man. I really do feel like just posting every day, even though it may not be necessary, it just keeps me honest. I get to really track what I've been doing, and you know, by vlog like 500 or something, maybe maybe we'll have some crazy going on, just to kind of see the journey. Plus I feel like a lot of people will fuck with it. Honestly, I think a lot of people would like to see that, even though they're not super entertaining every time. You know, we're gonna get better and make it more optimized. So yeah, that's about it, and guess I'll catch you guys. See ya.